Apart from this political showdown, remember, if there's one issue that directly concerns the youth of this country, that's the NEET controversy right now. We're talking about the future of medical profession and medical professionals. NEET paper leak culprits are being nabbed one after another in this case. And that also found a mention by the President in this remark, in the first speech that was made in the Naya Sansad. It appears that the President has very categorically said that there will be a transparent investigation into this, what appears to be a scam now, and that there will be attempts to curb the malpractices in this issue. With the latest arrest that has been made, look at this. Manish Prakash and Ashutosh, who allegedly booked accommodations for candidates who were given these leaked papers to mug up before the test, that arrests have been made by the CBI. But the question is it just 2 or 3 individuals in different states, or was this a full-fledged network that is being exposed now as the investigations are leading on this?
माननीय सदस्यगण, सरकार का ये निरंतर प्रयास है कि देश के युवाओं को अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाने का उचित अवसर मिले। सरकारी भर्ती हो या फिर परीक्षाएं, सुनिए, परीक्षाएं किसी भी कारण से इनमें रुकावट आए, ये उचित नहीं है। इनमें शुचिता और पारदर्शिता बहुत जरूरी है। हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षाओं में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है। हमारे इससे पहले भी हमने देखा है कि कई राज्यों में पेपर लीक की घटनाएं होती रही है। इस पर दलीय राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर देशव्यापी ठोस उपाय करने की जरूरत है। संसद ने भी परीक्षा में होने वाली गड़बड़ियों के विरुद्ध एक सख्त कानून बनाया है। मेरी सरकार परीक्षाओं से जुड़ी संस्थाओं, उनके कामकाज के तरीके, परीक्षा प्रक्रिया सभी में बड़ी सुधार करने की दिशा में काम कर रही है।
पेपर लीक का कानून पास हो गया था पिछले सत्र में, उसको नोटिफिकेशन में देरी क्यों हुई, ये सवाल पूछना जरूरी है। ये पूछना जरूरी है कि नीट के एग्जाम को लेकर पहले तो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर डिनाई कर देते हैं कि सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि पेपर लीक नहीं है। अब हर स्टेट से निकल कर आ रहा है कि पेपर लीक हुआ है, इतने एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन कर दिए गए हैं, इतने एग्जाम्स को कैंसिल कर दिए गए हैं, उसकी भरपाई कौन करेगा? युवाओं की बात करते हैं, इमरजेंसी की बात करते हैं, जो 5 दशक पहले हुआ था, और आज जो जनता सफर करी है उसके बारे में कोई चर्चा नहीं है। पर
नीट को लेकर के भी कहीं सख्त कानून बनाने की जरूरत है और बनेगा, उस पर हमारी सरकार
तो हमारी सरकार की स्टैंड एकदम क्लियर है, किसी भी दोषी को हम माफ नहीं करेंगे।
Need is the biggest fraud. In Tamil Nadu, we've been saying for so many years, we don't need NEET. In fact, right now it is saying the National Testing Agency is not a government body. It's an independent, individual, private body. What is happening? Why are you punishing our students? What did the children do? So in Kota, in Rajasthan, how many children are committing suicide because they're not able to take the pressure? But whereas you're cheating, the entire government machinery is in trying to help people. And those people are in the BJP, who own the institutions. Their children or their institutions are giving centum. Is it fair? Then abolish NEET.
So remember, there is on one side probe in this matter, on another there is politics, and on the third there are protests. We have all the 3 updates on your screen right now, because remember, this directly concerns India's youth, medical aspirants and future medical professionals, whether it's those who are going to do MBBS or the dental courses. Of course, there are political parties, specifically in opposition, like the Congress party, who have come out on the streets as well, while the investigators, starting from Bihar, complaints filed in other states as well, for example, in Gujarat and in the southern states as well, there have been that have turned into FIRs and investigations are on. But because the CBI has now taken over, it will now all be clubbed together. Let's go across first to national capital Delhi, because as a political showdown, Congress workers, the youth wing of the Congress party, organized the protests. Also, the left-wing groups have protested, and there was some lathi charge as well seen. Listen in and take a look at this ground report.
With the demand to reconduct the NEET examination and scrapping of Agniveer scheme as well, the Congress party has been speaking about doing the NEET exam again for about 24 lakh students, and which is why they are doing a Sansad Gherao to march to the parliament this morning at Jantar Mantar Of course, they are holding banners and posters in their hands right now that say that NEET should be banned, and they are calling the NTA a corrupt agency, which is why the students have come out in support of those students who gave the NEET papers. And that is where you can see the posters. They are calling the government a leak sarkar. On the other side, there is a rapid action force that is already in place, which is not allowing the people to climb the barricades and move to the other side at the moment. But Congress has been raining blows on the government when it comes to investigations related to the NEET examination that was conducted for the undergraduate course, and the paper leaks and the evidences that have come to light in the particular investigation, which is why the Congress and the opposition is using this as a motive, as an issue during the functioning of the parliament as well. And that's why the Youth Congress workers today are doing a Sansad Gherao or march till the parliament. With Kirpal Singh, Milan Sharma for India Today.
Shreya Chatterjee is joining me for the latest on that. So you saw the political showdown, and then there are updates in the probe as well. Shreya, I bring you now into the telecast. What is the latest? There have been some latest arrests that have come in from Bihar. But is it just about Bihar really, or do you think there's a bigger network that is clearly at play here?
Well, you know, Pooja, when the entire matter was handed over to the CBI, the idea was that the CBI would actually be investigating the malpractices that allegedly took place in this year's NEET examination across the country. And that's particularly why not just the Bihar EOU investigation, but cases pertaining in Gujarat and 3 other FIRs in Rajasthan have also been officially taken over by the CBI. Now, why is the Bihar operation a little bit more significant? Because this is the only point from where a paper leak allegation came place. If we look at the other parts of the country, the allegations were that of impersonation solver gangs. So that is also being simultaneously investigated. Today, the CBI has made the first set of arrests in this matter, 2 accused naming Manish and Ashutosh, who were linked to the gang, the module in Bihar, who allegedly booked the Learn Play school where the students were kept, where they were provided with the leaked paper and the solved answers. Both these people have now been taken into arrest by the CBI. This comes after Bihar EOU's investigation, where they had already arrested 13 plus 4 individuals. And the key accused in the Bihar case as well, Pooja, Kintu, who's said to be associated with Sanjeev Mukhia, a close aide who had actually got the leaked papers and then distributed further, has also been taken into the custody of CBI. Meanwhile, the school where the exact paper had leaked from Jharkhand, the principal has been questioned for 2 days simultaneously. So we can definitely hope that the CBI is also closing in on what exactly transpired so far as a larger nexus is considered in the country.
Keep tracking all the latest, and it's not looking good clearly with now more and more expose that's emerging of possibly how lives are being played with simply for money and corruption in this case.